Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a peanut butter chocolate acai bowl. This is a great meal to eat for breakfast before you head off to school. Let's begin! You're going to need 1 cup of acai juice. I like Sambosan the best. You can get that at Costco or the Sambosan store. Next, you're going to need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of agave, some crushed ice, we added 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then blend everything very well. Then grab a bowl, pour the mixture into it, add some sliced banana, and top with some granola and some shredded coconut. Thanks for watching and good luck. Bye guys!